Hi, friends.
Mama, it's showing you, not myself. You're supposed to say hi. Well, hey friends, welcome to another vlog. Today we're at Kenji and Seiji and Mommy and Daddy's house. Hey friends. Hey friends, today we're at home and Mommy and Papa are fixing stuff. Why do you keep on following me, bro? We're gonna do the royalty family handshake in 1, 2, 3. Hey friends, welcome to another vlog. Today we're gonna do the handshake in 1, 2, 3. Boom, boom. A, bap, boom. A. Today I'm just hanging out with my mama and papa. You know, stuff and like. I'll be right back. Hey friends, welcome to another vlog. Today we're gonna do the Iron Spikes handshake in 1, 2, 3. Boom, boom, A.
Wow! There's a lot. Boom, boom, A. Meron na siyang Iron's Vlog handshake, ah. Talino mo talaga.
I made my own handshake.
Okay, so what are you gonna do today?
Hang out with my papa, and after he's done doing the things, I'm gonna just show Mama really quick.
Show Mama really quick.
Hey Mama, say hi!
Hi.
Okay. Oh, you help Papa na. Papa needs your help upstairs.
Doggy.
Ano ba to? Parang gangster naman to.
You're the cameraman now.
Follow you?
Yeah, follow me.
Eh, baka madapa ka. Nakatingin ka pa sa camera. Arte-arte. Medyo magulo yung ano.
Follow me.
Balur.
Mom,
No! Oh, there. Ay, naku, yung kalabaw. Oh, sige na, go na.
okay. Mom, I want you to enable face track.
Hi, Ma.
Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Mom, don't forget me.
Mom, what?
Don't forget me. I need face.
Mama is busy making. Fairness, masarap tong tuka.
Mom. Mom.
Yes!
Mom.
A few moments later.
Galing open eh. Welcome back. Kumain muna kami saglit. May peanut. Mas masarap may peanut. Masarap ang peanut. Si Madam. She's getting M&M's with peanuts. Ito, chichismis pa. Nakakaloka. Mapapaaway kami dito eh. Oo, kuhanin mo na. Ito cashew. Kuhanan mo si Michael niyan. Bibili na lang daw siya sa Antipolo. Nakakaloka. Ay, almonds. Gusto mo? Yan. Isa lang? Organic, unsalted. Gusto ba nila unsalted? Madaming tao ngayon sa Costco kasi Friday. Maraming free taste. Unsalted. Anong pinagkaiba? Anong pinagkaiba? Whole. Ito, hiwa. So, mas mura ang hiwa kaysa sa whole. Okay. Okay. May bago feel, bibili ako nito. Parang masarap to. May bago. September Hindi niya maubos sa September yan? Okay. Kaya mo yan? Okay. Mamba. Fruit juice yung Yan, yung mo, bubble gum. Bubble gum. Excuse me. Ito sarap yan. Cherries, berries, and nuts. Shy type siya kumuha ng mga sample. So, yan. Dadaan ka pa dyan sa mga towel. Ayun, seaweeds. Sige lang. Kainin mo lang. Mint. Taas hindi ko makita. Wait lang, ma. 18. O, diba? Nawala na si madam. Walang pagod to Kanina pa kaming 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock ba yun naglalakad. Nag-Pleasant kami. Hindi ko na na-vlog. Kasi tawag dito, gusto ko mabilis. Uulan kasi, tsaka may pasok si Joseph. Yun. Sarap pamili. Pag may pambili. Wala, tingin-tingin lang. Kiday. Pinili niya yung mga aso. Wala naman siyang aso. Hindi rin siya mahilig sa aso. Kuha ng kuha, Day. Kuha ng kuha. Kuha ng kuha, Day. Problema mo, paano mo yan iuwi? Ayun, ang ganda ng blue sa baba. Tsaka yung, flower. Ayun, parang springy. Yeah, opo. Ayan. O, hindi natin cart yan. Ayan, si madam. Yeah. Oops, sorry. Hindi pa rin po siya natapos, mga kaibigan. Nasa damit pa rin po siya. Sabi niya, groceries na. Oh. Si Madam Tush. Ay, ang ganda niyan. Ganda. Wag, medium lang, ma. Ang laki niyan. Yan. Mura lang.